What's up, Earthlings? Welcome to my car video. So this is the car. I got the white model just because I feel like the white model is more me. So this is the car in its stock situation. I definitely want to pimp out a couple of things. I already got the windows tinted. If you know German cars come with clear stock windows, so that was aftermarket. I really am obsessed with the sportier rims, although I'm not that obsessed with the color. I don't care much for the silver, although I like the silver accents with a grey. I don't know if you can see that kind of contrast, but I'm definitely going to change that. I'm planning to dip them in black. It's not going to affect the VW sign. That's still going to be visible, but the whole thing is going to be matte black. I just want I want her to look like a stormtrooper. Black tints, black tires, and I'm not sure about smoking the taillights. Like, I want them to be black as well, but I feel like it's overkill. Oh, I love this Germany badge. Initially, I was planning on getting a white car. No, a black car. Then I would wrap it white. Then I realized that makes absolutely no sense. Why don't I just get a white car, and then if I decided to wrap it, I could wrap it a different color. So I got the white model, but I'm planning on wrapping it. But I don't know what color wrap to get. I'm thinking to get a gold champagne kind of wrap. I'm going to attach pictures somewhere on the video. So if you think that's a great color, just comment in the comment section and maybe suggest what color I should go with. I love how they paid like complete attention to this car. And as you can see in the headlamp here, we have a VW logo. That is so dope. If you look at the front windshield, it's kind of just mini tinted. It's like a slight tint. It's not as dark as the windows. It's just a slight situation because I didn't want it too dark. Something else that I like are these side mirrors. They're really cute. I love how they're designed. It's really slick. I also really like how the boot opens. You just click the VW sign and up we go. You can charge your devices from that. So let's go on the inside. I really love how the key looks. The key is super Porsche. it's super thick. I love it. It's a switchblade key. So you click this and it comes up. If you long press on the unlock button, look what happens. All the windows roll down, bitch. And if you long press the lock button, all the windows roll up. So that's the inside of the car. It's already so messy. This is my tripod that I never really use. These are someone's glasses. We have the VW logo. That's just the center console. It comes with a DSG gearbox. VW and Audi use this in most of their cars, in all of their cars actually, I think. We have cup holders here. Oh Jesus, I found money. We have a cup holder here with a Volkswagen opener. The handbrake is here, just how I like it. I hate how Toyotas put their foot brake down there. It just makes no sense to me that it needs to be down there. This is the glove compartment. All I have here are tissues, my cinema 3D glasses, and a couple of documents. But I do love this velvet lining. It just makes it feel it just makes it feel nicer. The interior of this car is just so posh. I love that the speed is up to 240 kilometers per hour. That is fucking fast. This is where my lights are. Also on the door, I have the locks here. I have the window controls. They're all auto. You can lock all the windows from here. This controls your side mirror. I love that it's a joystick. In my last car, it was a weird contraption that was somewhere here. It was really annoying to use, but this is much more friendly to use. Up here we have the interior cabin lights. Right here we have some LED lights. The coolest thing about this car is in the dark, everything in the cabin turns to red. This is red. This whole situation here is red. The DSG lights are red. The lights here are red. These are red. The locks are red. So when you're driving at night, it's a whole red situation going on here, and I love it. Something else that I noticed about German cars is the airbags. This car has a total of 12 fucking airbags. It has airbags in the back, airbags in the seat, airbags everywhere, sis. Airbag. You can see this gets very tight. It holds on to you. It's perfect to sit on. It's a comfortable sit. It's kind of disappointing that for this price range, it doesn't come with electronic seats. Like it's manual. So I want to take you guys through the hood real quick, and she opens just like that. So this is a TSI engine. What TSI stands for is turbocharged stratified injection. What that basically means to you non-car lovers out there is that it's a fast motherfucking engine. It's a 7-speed gear, and it switches gears so quickly, and that keeps like even in traffic, I feel like this car struggles in traffic because of just how fast it is. It's also because of the DSG, because it's an automated manual. It kind of gets very difficult to maneuver in traffic. It's not like your normal automatic car that has a torque converter. With this, you can adjust the height and the reach as well, which this is not that common in cheap cars. Well, it's not a cheap car in small cars. This car gets super loud, so it was created for younger people, and the manufacturer obviously knew that entertainment and media consumption is huge with the younger market, because we have speakers all over this car. We have a huge ass bass speaker on the door right here. We have a smaller speaker right here, and in the back seat we have same contraption, big speaker here and the smaller speaker here. The smaller speakers are tweeters. I hope that's how it's pronounced. But my favorite part is, even with that it's a smaller car, it's a smaller compact car, it comes with an armrest and air vents in the back. I've not seen small cars with air vents in the back. This is an SUV thing. We also have cup holders here, so in case you have people in the back, which I probably never do, they can use that. This comes down. What's this luggage? No cup holders though. The cup holders are down there. I prefer them here. It just makes more sense to have them here. And then this opens to the boot. I don't know how to open it, so we're going to move on. That's my sunglasses compartment. It keeps my Tom Fords well protected. I think I'm going to make more videos of this car, showcase to you guys my customization journey of the car, because in a few months it's going to look completely different, with a different wrap, with different wheels. I want to make it as sporty as I possibly can, and I want to document that whole thing on here. In case you haven't noticed, I have a huge passion for cars, and this is a really exciting car to own. I think that's it for this video. If you liked this kind of content, just comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you love the most about cars. What do you drive? Also tell me what color I should wrap my car, because we're going to do that based on you guys' suggestions. Should I go with white? Should I go with chrome? Should I go with red? Should I go with blue? Should I go with purple? Should I go with gold champagne? Those are just some of the colors that I'm thinking about. If you guys, I also want to give her a name. So if you have any name suggestions for the car, you've watched the video, you know what she's about, so you can leave name suggestions in the comment section below. Until next time, stay safe and don't be basic.
So let's ride. Bitches know they can't catch me. Cute, sexy in my ride, sporty. Those slugs know they can't catch me. Beep beep. So let's ride.